Good morning from Grandfather Farm. It's about 8:40 in the morning, and it's kind of breezy out here. It's nice to see the sun and blue sky. The wind can make things miserable. We have some things to do today, so hopefully it works out. Came down to water the pigs. I was down here earlier. We were milking Bella. Noticed the water was a little bit low. Well, the wind's been kicking and found this net on the wrong side of the fence for the little pigs. So I got to fix that. Now we have pigs in a pile. Goes in there hiding. That's a good sized pile of pigs there. I have two more that'll be joining them as soon as they're castrated. Hopefully that happens today. Alright, that's fixed. That should hold. As long as the wind will pick up the whole thing and let the pigs out. This is not staked down. Okay, I only see one egg in the boxes, so I'm assuming you guys are hiding eggs. Yeah, I see eggs in there. There are all kinds of eggs, huh? There's 3 more. I bet there's some under that Rhode Island, too. You hiding eggs, too? Sure you are. Really? Alright, you guys need to start doing your job. Yeah. Right. Lay an egg. But that duck's hiding some eggs too. Everybody's got their hay. And the chicken's been fed. Changed the water, which is blowing away from where I wanted it to go. Really been a windy day. We're working in the shop, trying to change out the garage door. One's broken, one's good. The bad one on the side we don't open. This has a plan. Still gotta get the golf cart running, it's still not running. Okay, they're gonna make soap, so she's mixing this lye chemical, and she says it'll eat through bones, so I don't want to get too close. She don't have a lab coat on, so I don't know. Might be safe. My grandson came over to see me. Not really. He just came over because, yeah, don't know Grandpa yet.
Goat milk, and he seems to be.
Hey, Cody's mixing the ingredients for goat milk soap. Hope it don't blow up. Wow, that soap stinks. I just gave all the pigs some expired baked goods, and they like them. These pigs here got the rest of the crumbs from the last batch I threw out, so they're still looking around. Yeah, I'm getting tired of this wind. The wind is here we've had since I've lived here. Doc is attempting to switch doors. This door here is really bad and kind of mangled, so it didn't shut. It was kind of nailed up. This other door here, it rolled up and down, but it's in the wrong spot. So I'm going to try to switch them over. Eventually there'll be a window here instead of a door. Doc got the door swapped over. The good door now works. And we got to deal with this hole probably tomorrow. I got the outside bar put together. The bottom piece still needs to be screwed on. And then it leveled out as the concrete sunk there a little bit. Cody and Odo castrated the last 2 piglets. So that's been done today, too. And plus I made soap. A lot of stuff happened today. This has been a good Saturday. I want to thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.